Imagine waking up with a cup of tea in your hand, surrounded by the sounds of birds, greenery all around, and the sea just a short distance away. जब भी दिल चाहे समुंदर के किनारे घंटों तक बैठकर सनसेट देख सको, साउंड्स थेरेपेटिक राइट? लेकिन ये सपना नहीं है, ऐसी जगह सच में एग्जिस्ट करती है। तो चलो चलते हैं उड़ीसा के एक न्यूली ओपन लग्जरी डेस्टिनेशन में। वेलकम टू मैनग्रोव नेचर कैंप इन उड़ीसा। भुवनेश्वर से 80 किलोमीटर दूर ये न्यूली ओपन नेचर कैंप परफेक्ट है फॉर वीकेंड गेटवेज। समंदर और नदी के बीच बना ये नेचर कैंप यूनिक तो है ही, बट व्हाट मेक्स दिस प्लेस मोर यूनिक? वेल, हियर यू विल फाइंड 10 ब्यूटीफुली डिजाइंड टर्टल शेप्ड कॉटेजेस इंस्पायर्ड बाय द ऑलिव रिडली टर्टल्स, जो यहाँ हर साल नेस्टिंग के लिए आते हैं। बिल्ड बाय द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट एंड ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट, ओनली 3.5 करोड़ के कॉस्ट में बना ये नेचर कैंप रिसेंटली लोगों के लिए ओपन किया गया है। This nature camp has capacity to host around 20 to 30 people, making this place an ideal spot for family holidays and small group retreats. Wow, this place is truly beautiful. Now let me take you on a quick room tour, which I'm really excited about. Come on in. Wow, each room is very spacious and designed with modern amenities to ensure your comfort. And the best part, every room features a beautiful outdoor sitting area or balcony, perfect for enjoying the serene views of nature.
Like Polaroids on walls, they remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out.
Each cottage is available for just rupees 5,000 to 7,000 per night, and guess what? Your stay includes 3 delicious meals and variety of exciting activities.
Save the deeper seas. Hope
Activities like a boat ride on a Kadua river where you can explore the dense mangrove forest and enjoy bird watching.
oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead, but time is running out.
Or you can explore the area on a bicycle. There is something for everyone.
Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out.
यहाँ पे एक चिल्ड्रंस पार्क भी है, so if you are traveling with kids, they definitely won't get bored.
Time is running out.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do.
In the evening, you can visit the nearby Ganga Devi beach to enjoy stunning sunset or capture some beautiful pictures.
So it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about. And I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been.
This camp has its own restaurant called Casuarina, inspired by the local casuarina trees that you will see all around here.
She always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me.
The food has a homely touch, offering authentic Odia cuisines with both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. This nature camp has provided employment opportunities for the local people, which is a wonderful initiative. I would like to praise Odisha government for such a great move, supporting both tourism and local community.
When you saw her in that dress, when your heart is beating fast and you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile.
The entire property managed by the local village community, and the staff here are very friendly and welcoming. As I wrap up my last day here at Mangrove Nature Camp, I can't help but reflect on all the wonderful memories I have made. From the peaceful boat ride to explore beautiful mangrove forest, this place has truly been a nature lover's paradise. Before I leave, I'm picking up a small souvenir from the reception to remember my time here. I highly recommend you guys to visit this beautiful destination, not to enjoy the beautiful natural beauty, but also to support local community and promote Odisha tourism. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. So I'll be back with another new video in a new destination. Until next time, as I always say, keep traveling and stay happy. Bye.